Welcome, nature lovers, to our enchanted journey through the mystical depths of the forest. Today, we're delving into the verdant wonders of the woodland to discover the magical creatures that dwell within. Are you ready to embark on this whimsical adventure? Let's step into the forest. Masked bandits of the night, it's the mischievous raccoon. Spells out R-A-C-C-O-O-N, raccoon. Can you wash your paws like a raccoon foraging near water? Raccoon. Let's admire their cleverness and curiosity in the forest shadows. Gracefully moving through the forest glades, it's the elegant deer. Spells out D-E-E-R, deer. Can you tiptoe like a deer through the foliage? Deer. Let's appreciate their gentle nature and beauty in the woodland landscape. Digging deep burrows in the earth, it's the sturdy badger. Spells out B-A-D-G-E-R, badger. Can you dig like a badger excavating their underground home? Badger. Let's respect their tenacity and strength in the woodland soil. Tapping out rhythms on tree trunks with powerful beaks, it's the rhythmic woodpecker. Spells out W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. Can you drum like a woodpecker searching for insects? Woodpecker. Let's appreciate their drumming skills and woodland adaptations.